Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This job is going to be requiring a lot of data entry, entering invoices into the system. It is going to require a little bit of phone work. Of course, all the pages that I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. If you want to read reviews on the company or get that application in, and of course, I just ask that if you enjoy any job leads like this, let me know by either giving this video a thumbs up like button or letting me know down in the comments. And as always, please be sharing with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, today's job lead comes from the company Religus. I hope I am saying that right. They have 293 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a fleet administrative support. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States. Now, this company is looking for a driven individual to join their fleet team. This is going to be a temporary basis. They're looking for somebody to work for approximately 38 weeks, so almost 9 months or right at 9 months. They're looking for somebody to assist with the administrative duties of entering data into FleetWave, which is their computer system database. You're going to verify invoice information and data entry, updating any various databases as needed. You'll also assist with a new vendor setup. So this is going to require you to answer and respond verbally or written through email in a professional manner to those new vendors, helping them get set up. You'll process, organize, and file any paperwork, including those invoices, paying attention to detail and following all policies and procedures. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 2 to 3 years of some kind of administrative or office experience. Of course, you have to have great communication skills and great problem-solving skills. You do have to be a citizen of the United States. They are not sponsoring work visas at this time. Now, besides the remote work environment, they're offering a standard benefit package including medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. But unfortunately, the actual salary was not listed in the job description. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I did do a little bit of research trying to find an estimate for you, and an administrative assistant with this company is noted to make anywhere from $35,000 a year all the way up to $52,000 a year. So pay is likely to fall in between that $16 to $25 an hour range. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.